Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all of our friends listening at home or in the car or maybe at the gym. It is so good to be here with you today.
I am so happy today, Paul. Do you know why?
Let me think. Is it because you have a new coffee?
Well, yes, I always love my coffee, but that is not the only reason. I am happy because we are talking about a very fun topic today.
Oh, I love fun topics. What is it?
Today, we are talking about hobbies.
Hobbies. Wow, that is a great topic. Everyone has a hobby, right? Or maybe they want a new one.
Exactly. Hobbies make life interesting. They are the things we do for fun when we are not working or studying.
That sounds perfect. I have many things I like to do for fun.
I know you do, Paul. But wait, before we start our big conversation, we have to ask our friends for a small favor.
Oh, yes, that is very important. If you like our podcast, please click that like button right now. It is a big help for us.
Yes, it really is. And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. We want you to see every new episode.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If you have a friend who is learning English, send them this video. Learning together is more fun.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Paul, let's talk about hobbies. What is a hobby you really like?
Well, my favorite hobby is cooking. I love being in the kitchen.
Cooking. That is a great hobby. You can make delicious things.
Yes, I love to try new things. Actually, I have a small story from last night.
Oh, tell me, did you make something special?
Well, I tried to make a big chocolate cake. I wanted it to be perfect. I had the flour, the eggs, and the chocolate.
Chocolate cake sounds amazing. What happened?
Well, I was very busy. I was listening to music and dancing in the kitchen. I was having so much fun. But then I made a mistake.
Oh no, what kind of mistake?
I looked at the white powder on the table. I thought, this is sugar. So I put a lot of it into the cake.
And was it not sugar?
No, it was salt. I put 2 cups of salt in my chocolate cake.
Oh, Paul, salt cake? That sounds terrible.
It was. I took a big bite and, it was so salty. My face went like this. I had to throw the whole cake away.
That is so funny. But that is okay. Mistakes are part of hobbies, right?
Exactly. I learned a lesson. Always taste the white powder before you put it in the cake.
Yes, that is a very good lesson. So you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking. But how about you, Emily? What do you do for fun?
Well, I have a new hobby. I really love photography.
Photography? Wow. Do you have a big, expensive camera?
No, not really. I just use my phone. Modern phones have great cameras. I love taking pictures of nature.
Nature is beautiful. What do you like to take pictures of?
I love flowers, trees, and the sky. Last Saturday, I went to the big park near my house. It was a beautiful sunny day.
That sounds lovely. Did you find anything interesting to photograph?
Yes, I saw a very beautiful bird. It was bright red and very small. I wanted to get a perfect picture of it.
Oh, birds are hard to photograph. They move so fast.
They do. I moved very slowly. I didn't want to scare the bird. I held my phone up. I was ready. I was about to click the button.
And did you get the photo?
No! Just at that moment, my phone died. The battery was at 0%.
Oh no, the perfect bird and a dead phone.
I was so sad. I just stood there and watched the bird fly away. It was a beautiful moment, but I have no photo of it.
Well, at least you have the memory in your head. That is a kind of photo too.
You are right, Paul. It was still a nice day in the park.
You know, photography and cooking are very different, but they both make us feel happy.
Yes, they do. I think hobbies are good because they help us relax. When I am taking photos, I don't think about work.
Me too. When I'm in the kitchen and not using salt instead of sugar, I feel very calm.
Do you have any other hobbies, Paul? Maybe something more active?
Well, I like to play the guitar, but I'm not very good at it yet.
The guitar. That is so cool. Why do you say you're not good?
My fingers are too slow, and sometimes I play the wrong note. It sounds like a cat crying.
Everyone starts that way. How long do you practice?
I try to practice for 20 minutes every day. My neighbor is very nice, but I think he doesn't like my music.
Why do you say that?
Well, yesterday I was practicing a loud song. After 5 minutes, he knocked on the wall.
Oh, maybe he was just dancing to your music?
I don't think so. I think he wanted to sleep. But I will keep practicing. I want to play a song for you one day, Emily.
I would love that. Maybe a song about a salty cake?
Yes, a very salty song. That is a great idea.
You know, Paul, music is a wonderful hobby. It's like a new language.
It really is, and it is fun to learn something new. If you are still listening, comment guitar below. We want to see who is still with us.
Yes, comment guitar in the comments. We love to see your messages.
So, Emily, we talked about photography and cooking and music. What about sports? Do you like any sports?
I am not very good at sports like football or basketball, but I love walking. Is walking a hobby?
Of course. Many people love walking. It is very healthy.
I like to go for long walks on the weekend. Sometimes I walk for 2 hours.
2 hours? Wow, that is a long time. Do you walk in the city?
No, I prefer the woods. I love the smell of the trees and the sound of the wind. It is so quiet and peaceful.
I agree. I like walking too, but I have a funny story about that.
Another story? You have many stories today, Paul.
Well, life is full of stories. 2 weeks ago, I went for a walk in a new forest. It was very big and very green.
Did you bring a map?
A map? No. I thought, I know the way. It is easy.
I think I know what happened.
Yes, I walked and walked. I saw beautiful flowers. I saw a small river. But then the sun started to go down. It was getting dark.
Oh no, Paul. Were you lost?
I was. I looked left. I looked right. Every tree looked the same. I was walking in circles.
That is scary. What did you do?
I tried to use my phone, but there was no signal, no internet.
Ugh, no internet in the woods? That is a nightmare.
It was. I started to feel a little nervous, but then I heard a sound. Woof, woof.
A dog?
Yes, a big, friendly dog appeared, and his owner was a tall man with a flashlight. He said, "Are you lost?"
What did you say?
I said, "No, I am just looking at this tree. It is a very nice tree."
Paul, you are too proud.
Well, he knew I was lost. He showed me the way back to my car. The dog was very happy to help.
That is a lucky ending. Maybe your next hobby should be how to use a compass.
Yes, or how to follow a dog. That is a better hobby for me.
You are so funny. But seriously, walking is a great way to stay active.
It is. You know, I also started a very small hobby at home. It is very quiet.
Oh? What is it?
Gardening, but only on my balcony. I have 3 small plants.
Gardening. That is so relaxing. What kind of plants do you have?
I have some basil, some mint, and a small cactus.
Basil and mint are great for cooking. You can use them in your kitchen.
Yes, that is the plan. I want to use my own herbs in my food. But the cactus is just for decoration.
Do you talk to your plants? Some people say that helps them grow.
Well, maybe a little. I say good morning to the basil every day.
That is so cute. Does the basil answer you?
Not yet, but I am waiting. If the basil talks back, I will tell you first, Emily.
Please do. That would be a very big surprise.
You know, Emily, listening to podcasts is also a hobby for many people.
That is true. Our listeners are using their hobby to learn English. That is fantastic.
It is the best kind of hobby. You have fun and you learn at the same time.
Yes, and it's important to remember that you don't have to be perfect at your hobby.
Exactly. I am not a perfect cook. I make salty cakes.
And I'm not a perfect photographer. I forget to charge my phone.
And that is okay. The goal is to enjoy the time.
Yes, exactly. Hobbies are for us. They are our happy time.
I agree. I feel much better when I spend time on my hobbies.
Me too. Well, Paul, we talked about a lot of things today.
We did. It was a very busy episode.
Let's look back at our chat. We talked about cooking and your salt cake.
Yes, and we talked about your photography and the red bird in the park.
We also talked about your guitar practice and your neighbor who knocks on the wall.
And we can't forget my walk in the woods where I got lost and a dog saved me.
And your balcony garden with your talking basil.
It was a lot of fun. I think our listeners have many hobbies too.
I am sure they do. Everyone, what is your hobby? We want to know.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, my hobby is...
Do you like sports? Or maybe you like reading? Or painting?
Oh, painting is a great one. I tried painting once.
Really? How was it?
Well, I wanted to paint a beautiful mountain, but in the end, it looked like a giant blue potato.
A blue potato. You are an artist, Paul. A very unique artist.
Thank you, Emily. I think I will stay in the kitchen for now.
That is a good idea. Well, everyone, thank you so much for listening to our chat today.
Yes, thank you. It was a pleasure to talk with you all.
Before you go, please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it.
And click that subscribe button. We have many more fun episodes coming for you.
And share it with your family. Maybe you can talk about your hobbies together in English.
That is a wonderful idea. Practice is the key to learning.
It really is. Well, I think it is time for my next coffee.
And it is time for me to go check on my basil.
Tell them I said hello.
I will. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.